Hey, this is Dylan with Repair Spots, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find an order or sale that you already have made that you need to go back on. So if a customer brings in a repair that might have been repaired within the last month or so, and he's claiming that it still has a warranty, you can go ahead and check on that repair without having to scroll through all of the already closed repairs. Now, the easiest way to do this would be to take the repair ticket that you already have in the sale notes and go directly to find sale. So we go find scale, it's going to ask for our QR code, we scan the QR code, and it takes us to the sale receipt on the system. Now we'll have all the information we need about that sale and whether or not it still has a warranty and etc. We can see the payment type, the invoice ID, the employee who made the sale, the customer who did the purchase, and here we'll also be able to void it from the system. So if they're claiming a warranty, maybe it was just the other day and they want to return it, or the repair was done unsuccessfully, or any of those reasons, we can void either the full sale or we can partially void part of the sale right here. So if we wanted to void just the clear case, we could just void that amount.